So in today's video, we are going to learn what is dummy pronouns. But before gonna start this video, I want to say give you a like, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share it to others. So without wasting any time, come with me just to look at this video. What is it exactly here? So at first we shall look into the definition of dummy pronouns. What is it exactly? Dummy pronouns don't have any antecedents. These pronouns don't show any specificity. It fulfills only grammatical requirements. And these pronouns are also known as expletive pronouns. Now you will think that what is antecedents and how they help to fulfill all grammatical requirements. Well, it will come to your mind surely. But I shall tell you in the next part. I shall give you some examples which will help you to remove all your doubts one by one. But before going to tell you those examples, I have to tell one thing, that is dummy pronouns have two types. One is they, another one is it. Well, let's go to explain all of those things one by one through some examples. In my first example, you can see here, there is a boy in this house. In the second example, you can see there are 2 eggs in the refrigerator. In the next example, you can see it's going in the pool. So all the same, all are written with dummy pronouns. They don't give any specific meanings about any specific person. If I take this example, it's going in the pool. It, which is a dummy pronoun, it doesn't give any specific sense about any person or any material. It doesn't have any connection with other noun or pronoun in the sentence. So they are dummy pronouns. So now the main question is how to differ dummy pronouns from normal pronouns. Well, in normal pronouns, we have seen that they have reference because they refer to any specific person or thing. Even they have their antecedents, they create some meanings in a specific sentence grammatically and syntactically. For example, if I say here, I saw him yesterday. I, him, both are pronouns and yesterday is an adverb. So in this sentence, I saw him yesterday. Here, I, which is a pronoun, and him also a pronoun, and they are making a sense between them because they are connected to each other, and that is called antecedent. And I is referring to this specific person who is a male one, him. But on the other hand, in dummy pronouns, it doesn't have any reference, it doesn't consist of any antecedents. Unlike normal pronouns, it is used to fulfill grammatical requirements. For example, there is a beautiful garden. In this sentence there, which is a dummy pronouns, doesn't give any specificity. It is used to fulfill the grammatical requirement. I hope in this way you can differ dummy pronouns from any normal pronouns. Still, if you have any confusion, you can let me know in the comment box below. So that's all for today. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and tada, bye bye.